Hey friends, this is a full-featured e-commerce store using WordPress and WooCommerce. Now the owner of this store wants to have the complete invoicing system at WordPress dashboard. I mean, even it is not an e-commerce website, the invoicing is a very common and basic requirement for all the businesses. At our iCreate program, we used to answer multiple questions every day regarding WordPress website and its enhanced solutions. We got a very common requirement and a question how to generate invoices for clients from WordPress. So the user wish to be within the WordPress dashboard and wish to have a feature to generate invoices, to share invoices, to collect payment on the generated invoices, how it can be possible, how easily it can be done. This is the objective of this video, and I got a very simple and effective solution that I am going to share with you in this video. If you are running a business and you own a WordPress website, or you are planning to have a WordPress website, this video and this solution is really very important for you, and you should have this solution, of course. So we are going to cover the answer how to generate invoices from WordPress dashboard, share invoices, and even collect payment on the generated invoices. Not only invoices, it can be pro forma invoices and all. So the solution that we are going to discuss is WordPress invoice generator with WooCommerce integration and Stripe payments. So the title itself explains everything. It is an invoice generator system for WooCommerce or even a WordPress basic website with an integration of WooCommerce or a Stripe payment gateway. So if you are having a Stripe payment gateway, you can easily collect the payment as well. And yes, so you'll get the analytics, put translatable materials, WooCommerce integration, and download and send as PDF option and multiple invoice template with the solution, and that is called WordPress invoice generator. The cost of this solution is just $29, and you can avail the solution at codecanyon.net through the video description link. But yes, you need to watch the complete video to understand the inside of this solution so that the correct things may be selected for your WordPress website for your business. So I have this website and I am here at the backend, and I have already installed the solution, which is WP Invoices, right? And we are going to discuss all the screens, what are the features available with this WP Invoices, how easily we can use this solution for generating and sending invoices, even for collecting payments. Okay, so you might be wondering which theme had been used for creating this demo website. Of course, it is a demo website, and the theme that we used Mirto, and you can watch the detailed video on this channel itself. You can choose the things, the resources for WordPress website on this channel. Hundreds are there, and I'm sure you are already a subscriber to this channel and watching the video regularly on this channel. If not, please subscribe the channel and click the bell button as well to allow the notification so that we may get in touch more often as you need for your WordPress website. And yes, don't miss to say hi to a mentor for your WordPress website who is going to help you in every manner for your website. Yes. Okay, so coming back, and I am here, and I'll take you directly to the screen. WP Invoices. This is the WP Invoices, and at the start, this is the invoice list. This is empty because I have yet not created any new invoices, but yes, it can be easily created. But yes, first I take you to the basic settings that is required to onboard on the system, how you can start with this solution. So the first thing that we need to do is the settings. So in the setting screens, there are multiple parameters that you can set. For invoices, like you can set the default VAT percentage or disable VAT, and the default settings like currency, the invoice number length, the date formats, and the further the email server can be connected so that the invoice generated invoices may be automatically sent or shared through the email. and the remarks that can be shown on the invoices, the decimal digits, the currencies you can set here. You can add multiple currencies. You can add the quantity type like packages, kilogram, or the payment methods that you can select is the bank payment, direct bank transfer, the Stripe, and the PayPal is already here. So you can add new payment method as well, just in case if you want to integrate. But yes, by default, all these things are here. On the next screen, you can set the client page, how the like you can enable the sort code to preview the invoices, how invoices are looking before you share. In the next screen, you need to share the details. You need to update the details about your company, like you can upload your logo, company logo, or the company name, VAT registration details, the address, city, and basic information about your company. Next is very important, the very amazing templates that you can choose for invoices. So here are 4 templates that you can choose. Maybe in future there will be many, but yes, 4 are very interactive invoice templates that you can use. So these are very good indeed, and you can select any of these as per your requirement and choice. Further, you can integrate with the WooCommerce. If it is an e-commerce website in using WooCommerce, it can be easily integrated. Like you can simply enable the feature to automatically create invoice when has a new order, or automatically send generated invoices to client email. So this is automated. You can write the subject and the email template and the description as well. So directly WooCommerce can be integrated, and even if you are willing to use this solution for generating invoices on a basic or business WordPress website without WooCommerce, you can do the same. So the payment methods are here, and you can simply enable the payments. Like you can put the Stripe API credentials that you can get from the Stripe account. Of course, you need to sign up the Stripe account and get the permission to receive the payments. And you can use the public and the secret key, and it will be directly integrated. So you can simply enable the Stripe payments from this option. Currency exchange values are also here. So you can use the XC, that is a currency exchange platform. So if you are receiving the amount in multiple currency, it can be really helpful. And further API integration. So this is also a very wonderful feature that I found in this solution. You can generate API to make it more secure. You can enable the REST API. You can get and you can check the documentation, like how you can uh, create API for get responses, or the get item, the get cliented, or the post in responses. So complete API can be configured with the help of this documentation, and you can use the API if you are willing to exchange the information from any third party applications. So this is very important screen that you need to set up for very first time when you are going to start using this solution. Now coming back to the WP invoices, where we can generate invoices, and you might be wondering why we have selected this solution. First of all, we are selecting only well-tested solutions for WordPress website to sharing with our clients, since we are delivering multiple websites every month and with the best available solution within the WordPress globe. And yes, so we have already tested all these solutions with that we are discussing on this channel. First thing, and the code quality is very important thing. Such plugins that may slow down your website, we are never going to use or suggest. So this is a very important thing, that how we are choosing the plugins to use at our projects and for sharing with our clients or the visitors is the thing. The quality of the plugin, or the quality of the theme, or any other resources. So it is well tested, and this is not a promotional video. So if you need more solution regarding this, like invoice generator type solution, I can work on more solution. But yes, this one we are using at our projects, and this works very well. So now I am taking you to the backend again. uh, so we can create new invoices, of course. So we can simply click on add a new invoice, and uh, if you are targeting to make invoice, this is the selection, and you can even create pro forma invoice, the debit note or credit note. And you can even select the WooCommerce client ID and get data options. So order ID directly can be filled, and the details of buyer or the client can be directly pulled. So attach invoice to WooCommerce order is another option, right? So in case if we are targeting with the WooCommerce, right? So we can simply type the client name or the client type and select from list is the client name can be selected from the existing list if there is already a list, and the client name can be simply typed here. The invoice number, the invoice date will be generated automatically, and date of tax, due date, the accountable person, the individual options, the VAT registration details can be added simply. The currency can be selected what you have generated in the backend, and you can uh, add the product description one by one. By product description can be added, and it can be taken up or down as her wherever required, and the calculation will be done automatically. Further, you can add if new nodes here, the payment methods that you have configured in the backend, like if you are willing to collect payment from a Stripe, and you can simply create or the invoice or even issue periodically option is here. So this can be a very simple way to generate invoices. Similarly, you can generate the pro forma invoice. So you might be thinking why I'm not generating. So it is very simple and it will work like on a template. So you can check it at your own. And just in case if you need to access this or demo setup, we can allow for a moment or so. And the good thing is that you will find a video here, video preview here that you can watch. Uh, it has been created by the developer itself. Just watch this video as well, so this can be more comprehensive for you, right? So now the pro forma or the debit note or the credit note can be simply created. So the parameters are almost same, but yes, nature will be different. Further, we have options to create the clients directly from here, and you can add new clients and that will be added to the list, the client name and the individual or the VAT registration status, client details. And further we have the periodic invoices details that we can see here. If you are using periodic invoices, uh, charts invoices, okay, so this is some sort of report. So this is basically the reporting system, or you can filter the generated invoices and the charts, and like a count of issued invoices by month and the pro forma invoice or the debit note. So this is basically reporting system, and you can filter according to the date, or you can even send it to or download it in the CSV format. Clients and the items, okay, create client and the item, okay. So these are the item details. You can add new items that you are offering, the solution or the item that you are selling or offering. So this can be very good. So you can create the database of items or the solution, and that can be easily used further while you are creating invoices. So this is a complete end-to-end solution for invoicing, and it works very well from the WordPress dashboard for any website, any theme, or any other plugin that you are using. It works well. It is not going to conflict. However, you need to check everything at your own installation. But yes, this can be a very good solution that may cover your requirement to generate and share invoices and collect in payment from the WordPress dashboard. I hope, I believe you like this video, and you are going to press the like button below, and you are going to share this button, share this solution with your prospective clients or prospective users. And yes, if you have any question, please don't hesitate in asking in the comment section, or you can even start a direct chat on our iCreate program. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.